I can just be so studious and good.
Yeah.
All right, so. Okay, so the first one is just a definition, right?
Yeah.
Correlation coefficient. Direction and strength. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. First one.
All right. All right. If the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, the other variable tends to increase, the other variable is unpredictable, the other variable tends to decrease, the other variable is negative. These were a little confusing to me, but
I think it's the third one. The other variable tends to decrease.
Okay. Can you explain that to me?
I'm not sure. A couple of the examples kind of made sense. Let me see if I can think of one. Let me open up the textbook and see if there's anything. Let's see. I was so happy to see scatter plots come back, you know?
Huh?
I said I was so happy to see scatter plots come back. I love those so much.
Oh, me too. Now there's even more choices.
Let's see.
I don't know. It's fine. I believe you.
Well,
well, 2.1.3, it says, we say that the direction of data in a scatter plot is positive, or there is a positive association between variables when an increase in one variable tends to lead to an increase in the other variable. We observe a positive association, blah, blah, blah.
And that'll be above 0. Those will always be above 0.
Okay, so, but you said it would decrease.
Yeah, so there are many, I'm just going to read this. It says there are many examples of positive association. It's been demonstrated a student's level of motivation is positively associated with academic success. Students are highly motivated, tend to do better. And then it says when an increase in one variable is associated with a decrease in another variable, we say that is a negative association between the two variables. Several studies have demonstrated that there's a negative association between the amount of time spent playing video games and academic performance. So that was the one that I was trying to remember. Okay. So does that make sense? The more time you spend playing video games, the less time, or the less the academic performance is going to be.
Yeah.
Because they're wasting a lot of time on the video games. But it's still, because one of them is positive, and the other one is a negative thing. So that's why it's a negative association.
Okay.
but it still goes, well, it's between 0 and -1 would be those results.
Okay. Yeah, I get that. A little better. Okay. All right, so number 5, the effective outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant would be false, right?
Yeah, because it said outliers do affect.
Okay, and then looks like we have to do this one, the correlation coefficient. Find it. See if I can remember how.
Your answer should be exact. Oh, is that something new?
Yeah,
Wow.
exactly.
Correlation coefficient between duration and, I think I did this one already.
I think I did too, but I didn't save it. So.
Nope, I didn't either.
Stupid me. Oh, would it be in my notes? Do we have to answer it on something? Or was it just in the?
It might have been on the, I did the homework, but I didn't write anything down. I didn't write anything down because it was just all on the SPSS. So I'll just pull it up again. Let's see. Most faithful.
All right. Let's see. Come on. Don't be so slow.
Sorry, mine's being slow. Eloisa said she's still at her internship, so she's probably not gonna be joining us.
Okay. We're doing both factors, right?
I think so.
Okay.
I haven't done this since yesterday, so I'm a little rusty now.
Okay, I got 0.901. So when you get there.
Okay. Oh, you know, my answers weren't matching up with the homework on these.
Huh?
My answers weren't really matching up with the homework. When you have to add the standard deviation and all that.
Yeah.
They had totally different numbers than what I had. So, okay, so right now we just want that Pearson correlation number, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got 0.901.
Okay. And then they want us to find the covariance. So.
Okay, and that's adding the...
That's multiplying. So you're going to multiply. Yeah, so just go back into your screen where you found your whatever, the 901.
Mm-hmm.
And multiply both standard deviations and the 901.
Okay.
That's it. Seems a little too easy, I know.
Well, they showed on the homework, they showed the numbers, but they were different.
Yeah.
They had different numbers than what I got. So I didn't know if I was doing it wrong or they just put in different
Did you do
numbers.
the homework quiz?
No, I didn't do the quiz. I just did the homework
Okay.
assignment. Okay. Oops. And what is this number supposed to be used for anyway?
It's like a combination of both data, like I think the direction and the strength of both data together. I don't know.
It doesn't make, sometimes it makes sense to me when you get the T-score or whatever. It's like, okay, I guess that's, I just don't know what this would be useful for. Okay, I got 13.98111.
Yeah, that's what I got.
You got too?
Yay.
And are we rounding on this for the
Yeah,
answer?
so I just did 13.981
Okay.
for mine.
Oh, 1 decimal place.
What?
It says round to 1 decimal place.
Oh.
So, oh, great. I hate those. So now you got to add up to.
So it'll be 14 then, right?
I guess so.
What? Oh my gosh. Okay, then it'd be 14. Right now. Yeah. 14.0, right?
That's what I'm going to put.
All right. Okay, now to these lovely babies.
Okay, this is not still with Old Faithful, is it, or is it?
I don't think so. Okay. All right. Okay, so 1 would be, okay, 0 would be nonlinear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so would that be F?
I would say so. That looks the most.
Wait, am I looking at the right one? I mean.
Oh, I think the letters are above it.
Yeah, so that'd be C?
Yeah, I think so too. That looks the most scattered out of any of those.
A would be 1, right? Because it's positive?
Yeah. Yes. I love it when they tell you to squint. It's like, wow, that is that is so scientific.
Squint, that'll tell you the answer.
Yeah. Okay. So the -1 would be D, I think.
Yeah. And then 0.95, that's positive. So B. Right?
Yeah. Looks good.
Okay.
Do we use all these or is...
I think we have to use all of them.
Okay.
So the one that's a little iffy is F, but we only have 1 left and we squint.
So that would be probably a low number, whatever it is. Let's see what else.
That's probably 13.
Yeah, because it's be more in the mid-range, I guess. Strong. What's the option? Strong, weak, moderate. Or moderate. Yeah, so that'd be more moderate.
There should be an option that says don't know.
Don't like scatter plots. That's my option.
Yep. Okay, now we have to find the correlation coefficient for mass self-efficiency. Wish I would have kept these, but maybe they're different.
Maybe. At least it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Mine takes longer to pull up than it does to put the information in.
So does mine. Okay.
What's the name of this again? Oh, let's see. I couldn't remember the name of the data set.
Efficiency. I'm assuming we're probably going to have to find both things like we did last time, even though I didn't look. But.
Probably. This challenged me with the Y and the X because I always forget which is which.
Oh yeah, me too. I had to highlight it on my sheet.
Okay, let's see.
See, this one says round. The second one says round to 2 decimals.
They like to keep us on our toes, don't they?
Apparently. Okay, I got 0.728 for the first one.
Yep, that's what I got too. 0.728.
Okay. Did you do the second one yet?
Nope.
Oh, that's the end of our test? Oh.
Sweet.
Woohoo! I'm like pushing the down button and it won't go.
And this is adding the
multiply.
Or yes, that. Multiplying the 2 standard deviations along with the correlation score, right? Okay.
Yep. You can add them if you want, but it's not going to work out.
That's what I'll be doing on the exam. I'll be adding them.
Oh.
Okay, I got 11.1842.
Yep.
Et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So we're supposed to add or round to 2 decimals. So 11.19.
11.18, right?
Oh, you're right.
I'm like, wait a minute.
Okay, so 1.18. All right, let me double check my other answers.
Okay, so let me just read you one of the homework quiz problems. If you want me to do it with you, we can go do it together because I already did it.
Okay. Did you already submit?
No. Did you?
No.
Well, because let me read you something before you submit.
Okay.
This is probably why I'm confused. Okay, so number 4 on our test, on our quiz says, if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, the other variable tends to decrease, right?
Yeah.
So on the homework quiz, which we're not really supposed to discuss, the first question is, if the correlation coefficient is positive, when one variable decreases, the other variable, what would you say?
Tends to increase.
It decreases.
What's the wording on the question again?
It says if the correlation coefficient is positive, so it's like opposite of
Yeah.
what the other one. When one variable decreases, the other variable, and the answer is decreases. So that's why I'm wondering if this one is supposed to be increases.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
Well,
I'm just telling
it's
you.
puzzling. Well, as far as I understood it, there was only 2 choices. If it's a positive relationship, they both increase, and if it's a negative relationship, one increases and one decreases. So either that quiz is worded wrong, or I know nothing.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, no wonder you were confused.
That's why I was like trying to yeah. Anyway.
Well, I don't remember reading about anything.
When R is positive, okay, this is negative. When R is negative and X increases, Y decreases. So that's what it says.
Yeah.
In the notes.
Right.
But then this one, if R is positive, but they don't give that example. They don't give the example that they gave in the homework quiz.
Yeah, I don't remember reading anything like that.
But that is like what you're saying is true, but I don't understand why it's different with this one. Anyway, okay, let's just turn it in.
Okay.
I'll go first.
I hope she corrects that if it is, or at least explains it.
Oh, we missed one. Oh, what? We missed number 12. What? How can we miss number 12? Oh, what did I put? Oh, because I put a Y instead of an E.
Oh my gosh, poor Christy. Oh no.
Which isn't even an option.
Oh gosh.
Oh, well, who cares? All the rest are right. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not sending her another email. If you send a video, I put a Y.
Maybe she'll have mercy on you. I know Christy really wanted to put an E there. I know she
I pulled a Louisa.
You're just taking her spot because she's not here.
I am. Lucky me. Okay, I have like 10 minutes. Did you want to do your homework quiz? And we can turn off the video.
That's okay. What should we do about our project? Do you want me to, how about I send her an email and just say, maybe she can contact Shannon for us, or she can give us some insight.
Yeah.
Just say we haven't heard from her. I mean, I don't know what else to do. If I text her and email her and we haven't heard from her in a week, then I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, I think we should just do it without her. Which I hate to do, but.
Well, I will email. I'll email our instructor and just ask her what she advises us to do.
Okay, because I got to turn this in this week.
Yeah, you do.
For our